Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Now that temperatures have started to drop below 100, it's time to start cleaning up those plants that suffered this summer's heat stress.
One of the hardest hit plants were our roses that got brown, burned leaves if they got too much sun, or long, stretched out stems if they had too much shade. Now is the time to get them ready for their fall recovery.
Our fall season starts by the end of this month and lasts until the first hard frost. To get your roses to come back to what they look like in the spring, you need to do three important things.
First, you need to cut off 25 to 30% of the existing growth. This should eliminate most of the sunburned growth and long, stringy branches.
Next, cut off any dead or damaged growth and any crossing or rubbing branches. Trim them into a nice even shape so that the new growth forms a nice, even, compact bush. Make sure to make all the cuts just above an outward-facing bud so the new branches grow outward and not into the plant. Use clean, sharp pruning tools so you don't spread disease.
Finally, clean up any old leaves and debris around your plants and fertilize them with rose food according to the label's instruction. This will help them to push out new healthy leaves and flowers for the fall season. Be sure to water in the fertilizer to start it dissolving into the soil.
It is also a good idea to apply a fresh layer of organic mulch or compost an inch deep around the base of the plants. These same instructions can be used on any of your other landscape shrubs that are showing signs of heat stress damage.
If you plan to put new plants in this fall, remember that most large leaf plants will sunburn more easily and should be planted on the east or north side of your house. For more information on heat stress and roses, get free copies of our Star Notes, number 105, number 135, and number 520 at starnursery.com. While you are there, check out our weekly specials for fall gardening.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location to purchase your house call. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.